Hey, beautiful people, are you a student or a working professional looking ahead to switch your career or start your career in digital marketing? Then this video is for you. मेरा नाम है आलोक भारतीय, इंटरनेट बिजनेस कोच एंड कंसल्टेंट। मेरे चैनल पे आपको मिलेगा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग टिप्स, ट्रिक्स, ट्यूटोरियल, सेल्स टिप्स, बिजनेस टिप्स, केस स्टडीज और मोटिवेशन रेगुलर बेसिस पे कूट कूट के मिलने वाला है। ताकि ये नोटिफिकेशन का आइकॉन दोस्त इसको दबाना मत भूलिए, ताकि जब मैं कोई वीडियो बना आपको इंस्टेंट बेसिस पे इसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो गाइज आई विल बी टॉकिंग एग्जैक्टली सेम seven things that you need to know. Come what may, you need to know before you start of even thinking of starting a digital marketing career. Thinking मतलब अगर आप think कर रहे हो, that means that you are looking ahead to look for a course or looking ahead to look for a mentor. So before even you think of starting a digital marketing career, you have to know seven things. Number one, digital marketing is a lucrative career. Lucrative मतलब highly profitable. When something comes with a high profit, it takes a lot of things in return also. So it needs a lot of effort. एक highly lucrative और profitable career है. You should know before you get started. That means it's not for everyone. तो ये किन लोगों के लिए है? We will understand the next step. So the very first step that you should know that it's a lucrative career. It's a highly profitable career. The second thing that you need to keep in mind before you even get started with digital marketing is it needs a hell lot of side hustle. Side hustle का मतलब होता है, it's not only about getting a job or getting a course. Course करने के बाद भी you have to come down to your home and you have to slog day in day out. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग बहुत बड़ा फील्ड है, इट्स वास्ट। अगर मैं सिर्फ ईमेल मार्केटिंग या तो ऐप स्टोर मार्केटिंग के बारे में बात करूँ ना, अगेन दीज आर टू बिग सब्जेक्ट्स, राइट। अगर मैं वेबसाइट डिजाइनिंग की बात करूं, देन अगेन बिजनेस वेबसाइट बिल्डिंग, ई कॉम बिल्डिंग, अगेन इट्स अ ह्यूज सब्जेक्ट। अगर मैं सिर्फ एसईओ की बात करूं, लोकल एसईओ, इंटरनेशनल एसईओ, टेक्निकल एसईओ, ऑफ पेज, ऑन पेज, इट्स अ बिग 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 ओशन एंड यू कांट मास्टर ऑन ऑल दिस थिंग्स जस्ट लिमिटिंग योरसेल्फ टू अ 2 hours training session or a 5 to 6 hours of internship. You have to do a hell lot of side hustle. Number 3 that you need to know is you should know the basics of marketing. Basics of marketing जानना बहुत जरूरी है। आपको लग रहा है कि आप 6, 7, 8, 10, 15, 20 टूल अगर सीख लिए, you will be a master on it. No. Marketing is all about understanding the human subconscious mind, playing around the words, playing around the copy and playing around the buyer's persona. आपको एटलीस्ट 7 पीस ऑफ पिलर क्या है वो तो जानना जरूरी है, राइट? यू शुड नो द बेसिक्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग. Number 4, very important for all those people, those who are a little bit senior, you have to be tech savvy. Tech savvy in 2020, if you are not tech savvy, then you are gone, right? You have to make sure that tech savvy अगर कह रहा हूँ, that doesn't mean that you should be good at programming or coding or should be an expert in it. At least you should be decent in using internet. You should be decent in using internet, using Google, using of lightweight tools. All these things you should be good at. Number 5 that you need to know, that before you even start your digital marketing career, go into a course, you have to make sure that from the day one you should be working on your own project. या तो अपने एक वेबसाइट पे काम करो या तो किसी और के प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना शुरू कर लो. Otherwise the entire training, entire course, the career will fizzle down. You should be having some project from day zero, right? Point number 6, आपको एक चीज जानना जरूरी है कि वन टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट आपने किया, कोई भी ट्रेनिंग पे, कोचिंग पे, कहीं पे भी जॉब जा रहे हो, राइट, दैट इज फाइन, बट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विल नीड एन ऑनगोइंग इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन योर सेल्फ लर्निंग, ongoing investment in buying study materials, books. I read a hell lot of books. You need to make sure that you have to spend in networking with the people those are already ahead in your industry, जो कि already they have burnt their hands in the industry. उनके साथ रहना, उनके साथ आप networking करोगे कैसे? When you participate in events. Plus if you want to learn ads, जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा कि you need to have a project website, you need to have a mindset of investor, right? Ongoing investment रहेगा दोस्त. It's a naked fact, right? You have to draw a line on this, right? अपने learning पे, अपने skills पे, tools पे, and budget पे, traveling पे, you have to spend on an ongoing basis. Only for those people, this point is only for those people, those who want to grow, right? Question number 6 that you need to keep in mind, it's not a question, sorry, it's a point number 6. Look for an internship as soon as possible the moment you think of starting a career. या तो एक ऐसा कोर्स ज्वाइन करो जिसके साथ इंटर्नशिप मर्ज हो. Take an internship certification experience from a mentor, right? From a mentor. So you have to make sure that you are learning it from a mentor and you are doing an internship under a mentor. You have joined a course certification program that is delivered directly from an industry expert, right? Not from a institute franchisee or कुछ भी तामझाम देख के local institute में चले गए. That's not going to work out. You have to do something. You have to work out. You have to work under somebody who has already been in the industry doing it on real time basis. Number 7, you should be on your toes to create content. Content is the king. Content सबसे ज़्यादा important skill है digital marketing field के अंदर. जिस तरह से आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, इट्स वीडियो इज ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ ए कॉन्टेंट. मेक वीडियोस. यू शुड मेक वीडियोस फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ इफ यू आर इवन थिंकिंग ऑफ बिकमिंग सक्सेसफुल और स्टार्टिंग अ करियर इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. यू हैव टू राइट ब्लॉग्स. यू हैव टू राइट आर्टिकल. चलो ब्लॉग आर्टिकल्स का हटा दिया, चलो ब्लॉग आर्टिकल बहुत हेक्टिक हो जा रहा है, राइट? यू नीड टू राइट सब्जेक्ट लाइन्स. You need to write ad copies. You need to write emailers. You need to write ad copy, banner, texts. All these things you have to write. How can you escape all these things even if you are thinking to be a successful digital marketer? So these are the 7 things that guys you need to know before you even start your career or step into the world of digital marketing. It was a very quick video. अगर ये video value add किया तो भाई please hit a like button. This is Alok Bhartiya signing out for now. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thanks a lot.